Alright, so this is the switch closest to the kitchen. From the bottom, you got the wire that has the red, black wire, the ground wire, and the white wire. And going up to the top, there's a black wire, white wire to ground. So figuring the black and red wire is connected down through the floor over to this one. This is the one right by the bedroom. And so, but there's nothing else going anywhere else. So this isn't wired up right. This is supposed to be a three-way switch. So it's supposed to connect to this light over here.